In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a base in Airtable. If you want to make a backup, create a test version of an existing setup, or reuse the same structure for a new project, duplicating a base is a simple and very useful option inside Airtable. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening Airtable and going to the workspace where your base is located. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you begin, especially if you manage several different projects or teams. This helps you avoid copying the wrong base by mistake. Once you're there, find the base you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one. If you have multiple bases with similar names, it's a good idea to double check before moving on, since the duplicate will be created from exactly what you select here. Next, open the base menu. You can usually do this by clicking the drop-down arrow or the three-dot menu on the base tile. This menu gives you access to several base management options, and the one you're looking for is the duplicate feature. From that menu, select the option to duplicate the base. After clicking it, Airtable will ask how you want the copy to be created. This is an important part of the process because you'll usually have a choice between copying only the structure or copying the structure along with the records. If you choose structure only, Airtable will duplicate the tables, fields, views, and overall setup without bringing over the existing data. This is useful if you want a clean template. If you choose to include records, the duplicate will also contain the data from the original base, which can save time if you need a full working copy. After that, rename the duplicated base. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. A descriptive name can help you quickly tell the difference between the original base and the copy, especially if you plan to use both. Finally, open the new copy and check that everything transferred correctly. Review the tables, views, and if you included them, the records as well. This quick final check helps confirm that the duplicated base matches what you expected and is ready to use. And that's it. That's how to duplicate a base in Airtable quickly and accurately.